Hello, my fellow foodies. Welcome to Blogging Good Food, your go-to source for all things delicious and nutritious. Today, we are diving into the world of vegetable salad decoration ideas. Get ready to be inspired by creative and mouth-watering salad recipes that will make your taste buds dance. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite, potato salad. Whether you are a fan of the classic or looking for a healthier twist, we have got you covered. We start with the basics, tantalizing potato salad recipes that are sure to impress. For a healthier option, check out our potato salad recipe with a twist that's both delicious and guilt-free. Now, let's explore the refreshing world of cucumber salads. Perfect for those scorching summer days. Dive into the delightful flavors of our cucumber salad recipe, or savor the vibrant colors and flavors of a classic cucumber tomato salad. Avocado lovers, get ready to elevate your salad game with these mouth-watering avocado salad ideas. Feast your eyes on our creamy and dreamy avocado salad creation. And if you want to recreate this masterpiece, stay tuned for the recipe. Corn salads are a summertime favorite, so let's explore some fantastic options. First up, we have a corn salad that screams summer vibes. And for those busy days, try our quick and easy corn salad recipe. Now, let's turn our attention to the wholesome goodness of broccoli salads. Dive into a sea of green with our delectable broccoli salad. Looking for more broccoli salad ideas? We have got you covered. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey through vegetable salad decoration ideas. Don't forget to visit our website at blogginggoodfood.com for more recipes, tips, and reviews